My name is Sonia Verma. I take care of the North India expansion business for Cultfit. I've been working with the brand for last 8 years now. Very confident about the brand, that how we operate. We have the market presence in all the tier one cities. You name it: Bangalore, Hyderabad, Delhi. So we are everywhere. And right now in this event, we are basically planning for that kind of expansion that we are looking at for 2025. That's the goal of coming here.
Okay. So you already told your biggest expansion plan for 2025. Can you tell me how do you support franchisee while maintaining the customer experience?
Okay, so when I talk about partner experience, with Cult as a brand, so starting from demand generation of the leads that are required, from the civil interior work to the equipments or the site finalization, anything and everything that is required for a franchisee, operating a franchisee, plus creating that kind of setup everywhere. Cult provides the kind of support. And when I talk about the USPs, any X brand, how we are better than them, whether it is a member experience or a partner experience, group exercise has always been our hero. So when I talk about member base, roughly 60 to 70% of member base in any of the Cult gym is highly relying on the group exercise classes. So that's how good they are. So that is the kind of experience that we are providing to the members, and that is what the confidence is built in the partner as well. And whatever support is required throughout the operations, whether it is hiring and training of the staff, or maybe doing checking the problem statements, doing regular audits in the centers, and resolving the problems for them in every step. Cult is there with the partners, and the kind of contract deal that we sign, starting from the site finalization till we have the contract, so the same support is there throughout.
And one more question. Fitness is becoming really popular in India right now. You also told that after COVID, people are really getting into fitness. What is your take on this, and how does Cult Fit motivate people to get into fitness?
Okay, so see, fitness has always been a luxury in India. Till date, I would say we have not acquired the 100% of, not even 70% of the market share, right? So post COVID, since in COVID people have got to know that okay, these health benefits are there. Maybe because we were staying at home, we had a lot of leisure time to re-evaluate what we were doing and what kind of lifestyle that we are doing. So slowly, gradually, people got to know that with the minimal activity in their day, they can still kind of make their health better. So that is one thing, realization. I mean, I would say the positive aspects of COVID, if I have to say, that's one thing. And secondly, when we talk about fitness, it since it was a luxury, no one really thought or catered the masses that is there in the Indian market. So initially we were also catering the premium market, which roughly has an 15 to 20% of acquisition, and the luxury category, which is again a very niche category, right? So right now, from last 6 months, we have basically launched a product by the name Cult Neo, which we are highly endorsing right now, which is basically for the masses. Roughly a membership of 13-14,000 rupees, which is quite affordable. So people who think that fitness is expensive, and people who are earning a 25-30,000 rupees of salary can still go ahead, have a 1,000-1,100 per month membership and opt for fitness. So this is something that Cult is doing, because all the non-brand gyms, when they were operating, so we used to run this 3P business for last 3 years, and Cult used to onboard all these gyms if they were struggling with revenue or any kind of problem that they were facing. So as a brand, we got to know that this is also one of the problem statement that we were able to solve for them. So why not bring in a product line in the same range, wherein a standardization will also be there, and that kind of product presence and brand presence will also be there. So therefore, starting from the masses with a very low ticket price, then going up to Lux category of a 1 lakh rupees membership. So we have we have product across all categories of clients that we have.
So that's a great initiative that normal people can also join Cult,
Exactly.
right? Thank you so much, ma'am, for your time.
You're most
Thank you.